We're standing on the brink of a new era. AI-powered warfare is no longer science fiction, it's reality. In a landmark decision, 60 nations, including military giants like the United States, the United Kingdom, and Ukraine, have endorsed a blueprint that aims to govern the responsible use of artificial intelligence in the military. But why is China, a major player, sitting this one out? Let's take a closer look. At the heart of this new agreement is the Responsible AI in the Military Domain REAIM Summit, hosted in Seoul. It's the second gathering of its kind, following one in The Hague last year, but with a crucial difference. This year's blueprint isn't just talk, it's action-oriented, designed to take concrete steps toward regulating how AI can be deployed in warfare. For instance, AI-driven drones are already being tested in Ukraine, which has endorsed the blueprint. These drones could change the battlefield by making split-second decisions based on AI algorithms, leaving traditional methods in the dust. But the blueprint goes beyond just drones. It aims to ensure human control over AI when it comes to the most sensitive areas, like nuclear weapons. And there's a growing global consensus that AI should never be used to facilitate weapons of mass destruction, especially if they fall into the hands of terrorist organizations. So, what does this blueprint actually call for? According to the Netherlands Defense Minister, it lays out protocols for risk assessments and promotes confidence-building measures to ensure trust among nations. It's about making sure that AI systems in military use remain under human oversight, critical when lives are at stake. Here's the kicker. China, a leading developer of military AI, has opted out of this agreement. Despite participating in last year's call to action, China has declined to support this year's blueprint, raising eyebrows across the globe. Is this a sign of deeper geopolitical divisions, or is China seeking to carve out its own path in the AI arms race? China's absence from the agreement underscores a fundamental difference in views about how AI should be governed in warfare. While China sent a government representative to the summit, they did not back the final document. Some experts argue that this divergence may reflect China's desire to maintain strategic flexibility in its AI military applications, but it also poses a risk. If one of the world's AI powerhouses isn't part of the global framework, will this push other nations to accelerate their own AI militarization? The next phase of this critical debate will unfold at the UN General Assembly in October. South Korean officials have announced plans to push for discussions based on the blueprint, but the road ahead won't be easy. With some nations opting out and others eager to control AI's future in warfare, the world may be headed toward a new type of arms race, one driven by algorithms and autonomous systems. This is more than just a technological shift. It's a moral and strategic turning point. How far can AI go in warfare? And who will control the future of these powerful systems? As AI becomes an integral part of military strategy, the stakes are higher than ever.